Hey YouTube, I'll make a quick video, kind of same kind of thing I released this afternoon. Made the video last night, but just kind of showing you what you can do with these Gen 7s to make them look different. This one here, of course, looks crazy different. Stampede body off a two-wheel drive, Stampede, Sin racing tires. Besides that, everything's stock. Bumpers are tore off of it and stuff, but just regular old Gen 7, 17-turn motor and all. It's all stock. So anyway, I'm going to jump right into this, show you what it can look like. In the words of Kevin Talbot, boom, there it is, guys. This looks pretty slick. Not gonna lie, I really like it. I'm sure I'm gonna have to take and trim some on that body. I just went on and cut it out exactly like it should have been, but I can tell you right now it's gonna rub. My body mounts aren't here. I'm a little agitated. I bought some of the what do you call them, magnet mounts. So I'll try to put some of them on it, see how it turns out, just for reference. Yeah, that was right. Other than on the other side of the truck, here's your stock tires. They would probably actually survive with that body to an extent anyway, but I really do need to trim it out a little bit. I don't want to raise the body up, not too much anyway. I do have the opportunity coming in a future video to take this Gen 7, maybe even slap a set of them dudes under it. I think that would look real awesome, to be just quite honest. I think it'd look great. Those are TRX 4 axles. I'm sticking them under this Gen 7. I'm going to put a set under an E10 too. So there's another one of those bodies. This one's a J Concepts 82 Chevy. They actually call it a C10, I think. But I painted it myself, put all the white on the cab and stuff, and you can tell it's actually a little spot right there where I didn't get the tape hooked together. It's one of those things that it's like a real car. Your prep work makes your body turn out good or bad. If you don't do your prep work, it's not going to turn out right. But all things considered, and knowing that my kid is going to absolutely wreak havoc on it, I think she looks pretty good. It look real good going down a trail. I'm definitely going to take this one, do the drywall tape, E6000 on the inside. I've got a video showing you how to do that on here. That's going to stiffen his body up and make it last probably 4 or 5 times as long. That's the only way it's going to last with him. He's crazy. I'm telling you guys. Like, you watch Kevin Talbot, you'd be watching my kid minus he ain't got his cool stuff. So, anyhow. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, guys. Thank you, YouTube. Here's a quick screenshot of the wheels and the tires that I put on this thing as well. You can get them off Amazon.